Stop wasting time reading. Seriously. There's an AI that can read an entire book for you, summarize it, and even email you the key lessons every single morning. Sounds crazy, right? But it's real, and it takes less than 5 minutes to set up. Now, don't get me wrong, I love books, but most of us don't finish them because of busy routines. So, what if you could still get all the value from those books without spending hours reading? That's exactly what this AI hack does. It picks a new book every day in your favorite topic, finds the 20% of ideas that give 80% of the value, and sends you the main takeaways straight to your inbox. By the end of this video, you'll have your own daily AI book summarizer up and running. No more unfinished books, no more wasted time, just pure knowledge delivered automatically. Now, here's the thing. The reason this hack even exists is because of one simple truth. We don't actually need to read everything to learn something. There's a principle called the 80-20 rule. Maybe you've heard of it. It basically says that 20% of what's inside a book gives you 80% of the real value. The key ideas, the frameworks, the lessons. That's the part that actually changes how you think and work. But most of us never make it that far. We get stuck somewhere between chapter 3 and a pile of new notifications, and that's where this hack comes in. Instead of reading every single page, what if we could just extract that golden 20% automatically? That's exactly what we're doing here. We're not replacing books, we're compressing them. We're using AI to do the heavy lifting so you still get the wisdom without the time drain. AI does the reading, filters out the noise, and hands you only what matters most in a short, easy-to-digest summary you can read in minutes. It's like having your own book coach who never sleeps, never skips a day, and always shows up at 9 a.m. with fresh insights just for you. All right, so now that you know why this hack is such a game changer, let's actually set it up. First things first, we're going to open ChatGPT. If you're new to it, just head over to chat.openai.com and log in with your account. If you don't have one, it takes less than a minute to create. It's completely free. Now, here's something important. You can do this with the free version of ChatGPT, but if you're using ChatGPT Plus, which gives you access to the latest model, the automation runs smoother and faster. It's not a must-have, but definitely a nice upgrade if you plan to use this daily. Once you're in, keep the chat window open because this is where we'll drop the magic prompt that makes ChatGPT read and summarize books for you automatically. All right, we're in ChatGPT. Now let's actually build this thing. Now, let's create the Daily Summarizer automation. I'm also going to keep the exact prompt for you in the description. Just drop this into your chat window exactly as it is, and of course, you can tweak it accordingly. Like, you can mention any niche of books. So now the aim is to set up a daily scheduled task for you to run automatically. Every day at 9 a.m., you will get a new book summary and high-impact takeaways with clear examples in your email. So, here's the prompt. We're going to set up a daily scheduled task for you to run automatically. Every day at 9 a.m., you will do the following: making sure to alert me with a notification and email. Your task is to help me learn efficiently by summarizing books and teaching me their core messaging using the 80-20 principle. Every day, you will 1. Choose a new book in the subject of motivational and growth mindset. 2. Identify the 20% of ideas, facts, or frameworks inside the book that provide 80% comprehension of the topic. 3. Present them as 5 to 7 concise, high-impact takeaways with clear examples or analogies where helpful. 4. Avoid unnecessary detail. Aim for clarity and immediate insight. 5. Create an easy-to-read infographic with the core messaging. 6. Based on what you know about me, suggest practical ways for me to implement the frameworks in my life and work. Do a test run right now. Here's what this prompt is doing for you automatically. It picks a book in our chosen topic, motivational and growth mindset, then summarizes the key takeaways, the 20% that delivers 80% of the value. It then adds examples and practical actions so you can actually use the ideas. It also creates a simple infographic for quick visual learning, and it emails it to you every morning at 9 a.m. so you never miss a day. All right, now that you've pasted the prompt, just hit enter and let ChatGPT do its thing. You'll see it start processing immediately, and here's the cool part. It actually runs a test summary right away. This lets you see exactly how it'll work each morning. Now, depending on your settings, ChatGPT might first ask for a few permissions or integrations like connecting to your Gmail so it can send you the summaries automatically. And it will also ask you to turn on desktop notifications, so hit continue and yes in order to receive email and notifications. First, ChatGPT will ask for Gmail access so it can deliver the daily email. Just click continue. A little pop up will open, select your Gmail account in which you want to receive book summaries and insights. Hit continue one more time to confirm the permission. And that's it. Done. ChatGPT now has permission to email you the summary every day at 9 a.m. So now, watch what happens here. ChatGPT picks a random book, Atomic Habits by James Clear for me, and within seconds, it generates a complete summary. Here, you can see all 7 key takeaways, short, punchy, and easy to understand. It even adds examples or analogies so the ideas make sense instantly. And the best part? It completely nails the core of the book. No fluff, no filler, just the real insights that matter. And it had also provided me with an image file, a simple infographic, and let me download it and open it. Here you can see it had provided me all the insights in a beautiful and easy to understand infographic. Now that everything's running, let's personalize it a little. You can change the schedule to any time that fits your routine, maybe 7 a.m. before work or late evening if that's your reflection time. Just edit that part of the prompt that says every day at 9 a.m. and type your own time. Next, you can switch up the topic. If motivational and growth mindset isn't your thing, try psychology, marketing, entrepreneurship, fitness, anything you want to keep learning about. And the format? Totally up to you. Ask ChatGPT to send it as a quick bullet list, a quote of the day, or even a clean infographic you can save or share. Also, the cool part is that this automation isn't limited to books. You can have ChatGPT summarize articles, newsletters, podcasts, anything with knowledge in it. It's like creating a daily personalized learning feed tailored just for you. Think about it. Every day, you're turning wasted reading time into automated learning time. Instead of feeling guilty about books you never finished, you're waking up to the best ideas from new ones before your coffee's even ready. And once you've got your summaries coming in, you can take this to the next level. Sync them automatically to Notion or Google Docs so you build your own growing library of knowledge over time. Ask ChatGPT to quiz you weekly on what you've learned. It's a fun way to reinforce the ideas, or even use these summaries to train your team or share insights on LinkedIn. That one little automation can evolve into your personal training system or your brand's daily content engine. And that's it. You've just built your own AI reading assistant, a system that learns for you, teaches you, and saves you hours every single week. Try this setup today and see how different your mornings feel. If this video helped you save time or inspired you to learn smarter, hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment below. Let me know if you need clarification in any part of doing this or want to see something in more detail. I will be glad to help you guys. See you in the next video. Until then, cheers.